Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard number 882. This is a mill aluminum, what they call a Latchtrack, what is called a Latchtrack threshold. Explain that in a moment. Very low profile, as you can see, to the floor, and in my guesstimation, this threshold would be a bit less common than many you're going to encounter because it's so low to the ground, so short in its profile, and then combined with its potential application being a latch track. So let's go over it. First of all, this is a bump up style threshold. Okay, you've got a ridge here with no seal, and that's specifically the 882. You can get this material with an insert of vinyl, you know, whatever the case might be, material. They're saying that this is a handicap compliant threshold. So that would be a reason why you would have this. It is a Latchtrack threshold, and here's what that means. Imagine this. Pair of doors, exit devices, vertical rod exit devices on both doors. It's exterior. You have to weather strip it, obviously. Strikes at the floor, mounted to a threshold. Any threshold is a point of failure. A Latchtrack, this beveled profile here, is specifically intended to act as the strike for the bottom latch assembly of a surface vertical rod exit device. So that's where the term Latchtrack comes in. Dimensionally, and by the way, this is available in the mill aluminum finish, as you see here, and then the dark bronze finish as well. And you know, first impressions, this is a substantial threshold. This weighs, you know, 3/4 pound per foot, and that's aluminum. It's light material, but it's still very heavy. And it's for sure 3/4 pound. There's an image below this video showing everything important dimensionally about this threshold. Let's go over that now. 5-inch wide, as you can see. Then you've got a 1/4 inch space here, and then a 1/2 inch. So that automatically tells me that typical hollow metal doors and frames are not going to work with this, because you'd have a typical 3/4 inch undercut. So you're going to want to be real sure what undercut you're dealing with. Or it could be that for whatever reason your margin is significantly smaller than standard, requiring you to have a threshold like this. Nonetheless, just know what it is before you buy the threshold. 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, okay? Includes fasteners and a complementary finish. They're just going to be typical, you know, number 10 by 1.5 flathead wood screws, Phillips drive. Available in several different lengths on the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is because if you had to take this 3-foot piece and cut it down to, say, 32 inch, you'd eliminate that countersink. And then the next one's all the way over here, so you're stuck drilling another hole. So if you, and countersinking it, if you have need for this custom length, and you order it that way, we'll not only locate that countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. You know, dimensionally, one thing that is not specifically called out is the, well, it is, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. It's 1 5/8 here, so that's going to give you 3 3/8 balance for the rest of the threshold. At least this way you know exactly what you're dealing with. 3 3/8 and then 1 5/8. Okay. Part of what makes it thick is, or heavy, is the 1/8 inch wall thickness. It's thick. It's thick material. National Guard is a full line manufacturer of all things commercial weather stripping related. Not only potentially the less common thresholds like this, in a comprehensive offering of less common material as well, but the common material, typical saddle thresholds, perimeter gasketing, weather stripping, door bottoms, material made of aluminum base like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze, and they also have a full line of steel vision frames for use in steel and wood doors. Any questions on the National Guard number 882 threshold or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.